Meet Tinku, the baby elephant with a giant problem, a tickly trunk. Last time he sneezed, he blew away trees, a goat, and Grandma's umbrella. So he held it in. Sniff, snort, squiggle. His friends came running. "Are you okay, Tinku?" He nodded, eyes watering, cheeks puffed. But then, a feather floated by. Twitch, twitch, ka-choo! Boom! Leaves flew everywhere. Monkeys spun like tops.
Is it raining elephants?
Tinku smiled. Oops! But the tickle was gone. Now the monkeys asked him to sneeze to clean the playground.